This meeting is being recorded.
Right. So this is Power BI demo, first day demo. And there are two demos, today and tomorrow. Today and tomorrow. In today's demo, I'm covering this part, and tomorrow's demo, I'm covering this part. So maximum understanding I will give you in the next 50 minutes, maximum understanding, 50 minutes to 1 hour. In case we have time, we'll see a practical, otherwise we'll make the practical tomorrow. But compulsory in the demo sessions, I will do 1 or 2 practicals and detailed understanding. Each and every content, every part which I'm explaining the demo, very, very important. There are thousands of practicals, thousands of videos in the internet. You will get just a concept and concept knowledge, but not subject. If you really need a subject from basics to advanced level, end to end, you want to see, and each and every piece of Power BI information you want to see, compulsory, you should learn from a trainer. You must learn from a trainer to learn in detail, from basics to advanced. You want to know in and out. You want to know the flow. You want to know the process. You want to know the real-time tips. And you want to know real-time optimization. Everything you should learn from a proper trainer who worked in the real time. You cannot get it from the videos or anyway. There's a strict instruction for everyone, because 40 to 50% people nowadays, after watching videos and getting some knowledge on Power BI only.
Is any coding needed? Coding?
So not only for Power BI, and maximum courses, the same thing happens.
Hello.
Okay, right, sir. Now I will go to first one, introduction.
Coding needed.
I will tell you, sir. I will tell you. I'll tell you, sir. I'll speak to you all those details. Let me continue for a while and then I'll give a break for your questions. And my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. In case you want to talk to me after the session and before 6 o'clock, you can call me. This is my contact number. You can call me before 6 p.m. In case you have personal traits and you want to discuss with me, kindly call me on this number. Generic questions only ask in the demo level. Anything related to generic. And I'm a working professional. And I'm working as a BA lead consultant in one organization. I'm not disclosing the name, but I'm working as a BA lead consultant. I take only normal tracks, which is for 50 to 60 days duration. Daily 1 hour is a class. Monday to Friday, compulsory classes. Saturday practice session will be there. Every Saturday practice session. Case study or one project, small project implementation every Saturday. Whether the batch is new or old, Monday to Friday classes, Saturday practice session. You guys going to do along with me, so that you will get some better hands-on. Sir, I want to finish in 1 month. Is it possible? You need to purchase my videos, or you need to join 2 batches parallelly so that you can finish in 1 month if you are interested for my classes. Sir, I'm looking for one-on-one or other training in your institute. Yes, we have a couple of trainers. They will take you one-on-one and other trainings. So these are the details, guys. Okay. Sir, why should I join in your institute? What exactly you're covering in Power BI? I will give you good understanding about Power Platform. I will give you good knowledge about Power BI Desktop and DAX. DAX is a language in the Power BI. I'll give you understanding about cloud service. This is cloud. Power BI cloud. I'll give you understanding about on-premises server. On-premises server. I will also help you to create reports which are legacy, old type style of report generation. Power BI level advanced report generation available. In case old style of reports you want to generate, this is required. I will explain you practically. And during the classes, 3 to 4 hour SQL session I will conduct. And Microsoft Analysis Services Cubes, many companies are using. I will cover this part also, so that you will get understanding about different databases, normal database and cube databases. So in the real time, if you get a chance to work with a cube database, you can happily work on. You joined in a project. The project having versioning component like GitHub, how to work on GitHub, what it does. I'll give you practical knowledge. You're working in a report level real time. You want to test the report, how to test a report. And 2+ near real time projects we will do. Every weekend there is a practical session. So you may see case study or small projects. And you will implement along with me multiple case studies. This all if you do, you get complete Power BI awareness with Power Platform understanding plus better hands-on. That is sufficient for your interview trials and to work confidently in the real time. We have a very good success rate. There are many people who placed in the organizations, not 1 or 2. Thousands of people placed in the organizations, thousands.
Sir, with this Power BI, do we need to learn SQL also?
I will tell you, sir. I will tell you. Give me a moment. Next. What exactly we are providing from the institution? Course is okay. Content is okay. How do you read it? How do you follow the sessions? We will give you theory practical material that helps you to follow easily. We will give you live class videos that also helps you to follow easily. Everyday class video you will receive like this. So for each batch, there is a folder available. Just before you, we started one batch, 9 o'clock batch, 9 AM July. Or you want to take 2021 batch, 21 November. Click on it. This is the folder for their batch. Then this. Demo, Power Query, Security, Visuals, RLS, Dynamic RLS, like this. Each and every folder contain specific videos, and that too starting from 1 to serial wise, date wise videos available. Serial wise, date wise. All the videos. How about material, sir? Material also easy, understandable material. Go to downloads, my materials. These are all the materials. So Power BI desktop service server related material, projects and case study material, real-time issues material, and interview FAQs material, resumes, many resumes I'm going to give you, SQL Server material, Tabular Cube material. These are the materials. And I will give you understanding about Microsoft Flow, Microsoft Apps as well, Power Apps as well. Power Apps understanding, Microsoft Power Automate understanding, I will give you. It is compulsory to know. So good theory, practical material, live class videos you will receive. Training is completely practical only training with ease of terminology. And you will be having good interaction with me during the class. You can ask your questions and all. This is a demo session. I'm not giving the time much. Don't worry, but in the regular class, it's a friendly session. And we will conduct mock interviews for the interested people. Resume preparation, compulsory. We explain resume proper guidance will give you. One WhatsApp group also created for our technical questions, discussions, everything. FAQs discussion in the classroom. I will post you the FAQs in our WhatsApp group. Even in the material also you find the FAQs. The training time, the total duration 50 to 60 hours. In detail course, complete full-fledged course. So, okay, sir, I learned course from you. What all I'm eligible to try in the market? You can try as a Power BI developer. Power BI developer with DAX. DAX is the language, data analysis expression language in the Power BI. You can confidently try. You can try as a support resource. And you can try as a fresher. You can try as an administrator. These dedicated opportunities, confidently you can try in the market. Confidently you can try. And you want to go with combination like MSBI components plus Power BI, and you are a developer of Tableau, and you want to try in the combination, and you are an Azure ADF developer, a data lake resource, and you want to work with Power BI and try in the combination, Azure Synapse Databricks combination, like this. You can try multiple combinations. And my course is enough in case you want to keep Power BI below 5 years of experience. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, no problem. But more than that, if you want to keep designing knowledge, modeling knowledge is required, where this course does not cover much. Modeling, designing, I'm covering adequate. Required modeling and designing covering, which is suitable less than 5 years. But more than 5 years, you should be professional in that. Proficient in that. With working experience only, you'll get it. With work experience. So in that level, I'm not covering, but below 5 years level, whatever you require, 100% covering. This is not possible because of time constraint, nothing more than that. And even knowledge also. If you have some knowledge in IT, it will be easy to grab. Otherwise, tough to understand. Modeling, designing. Okay. Right. So one quick question you can ask me, sir. Anybody selected from your organization? Anybody selected from your institute into organizations? Thousands. I'm telling you, thousands, not 1 or 2. Even last night, one girl messaged me stating, sir, I selected for so-and-so organization. Even I can show you. Give me a moment. Right. So it's completed. And for the last few minutes, I explained about this. I will clarify everyone's doubt. Don't worry. First, I explain introduction. Second, opportunities. Third, what we provide from institution side, live class videos and materials. Come practice setup accounts. What are the accounts required? That also we provide. Opportunities, I completed. This is a part I completed. Even we have success story of 1 or 2 people I showed you. Now we will continue with the demo part. Before that, I request online people kindly provide your email ID and mobile number so that you will receive today's demo video and demo document. Right. So what is a prerequisite? Qualification. Any graduate, even any graduate, BA, BCom, BSc or above, even undergraduate people also fine. Qualification, any graduate. Next, prerequisite, technical prerequisite, nothing. Having, understanding in IT, tools sufficient. Anybody can learn. But advantage, not having knowledge in Excel or SQL is added advantage. If you don't have also no problem, but added advantage is this. Excel. Next, what to learn? What to learn to try as Power BI developer? You want to try as a Power BI developer? What to learn? First one, basic SQL understanding. I will give you 3 to 4 hours, but that is not sufficient. My 3 to 4 hours not sufficient. Come on, learn separately. Second one, data warehouse, BI and analytics fundamentals. Compulsory required. This is theoretical knowledge. If possible, data model as well.
PL SQL needed.
Pardon?
PL SQL.
Not required, sir. But having understanding is advantage.
No, SQL and PL SQL.
We will discuss, sir. We will discuss, sir. I understand. I don't want to stretch more.
Okay.
Power BI. So PL SQL understanding is advantage, not compulsory.
Is coding not needed, right?
Right, not required.
Is this data model, BI analytical fundamentals?
Yes, sir. I will tell you. So this is, as you're entering into the environment, this is your environment. You need to have understanding on this. You guys entering into this environment, so you need to have understanding on this. Next, Power BI concepts. End to end. Nowadays, one more you need to know, Power Platform understanding. Power Platform understanding. Note. ETL tools, semantic tools. ETL tools, semantic tools, and other reporting tools. Knowledge is added advantage to the resume. In case you have some ETL tool knowledge, semantic tool knowledge, reporting tool knowledge, added advantage. So what are these? I will explain in few minutes. You don't worry.
Hello.
Yes.
One thing I want to ask that if I don't learn ODI and I go for ODI, if I don't want to learn ODI and I want to do only Power BI, will it possible? Is I don't have no.
Bhaskar, I
Yes.
have. This is my contact number. Could you ask those kind of questions on this number?
Okay.
I placed my number in the chat room.
Okay.
We will discuss, because there are different types of tools and people might have different questions, but not required. OBA or ODA is not required to learn Power BI. That's why I told you what is a prerequisite for Power BI. Nothing. No prerequisite to Power BI. But if you want to try as a developer, then this is the part required. This is current market. Okay. Right. So the basic questions I believe I addressed. Thank you. Let me continue with my demo part.
Note, yeah, we didn't say one thing. ETL tool, semantic tool.
Yes, I'm about to explain now. I take only Power BI classes. If you need MSBI classes, we have best trainer in our institute. Speak to my reception, they will help you on that.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Right, sir. I'm starting the demo part.
And ETL tool means what? ETL tool means what?
I'm going to
ODI.
explain, sir, now.
Hello, sir. Which is better, sir, Power BI or MSBI?
I will address all questions in case you have patience. Kindly ask me from 11:15 onwards. Let me continue with my demo. I'm muting everyone now. Right, sir. So if you're entering into this platform, you need to have good knowledge on this part. This hierarchy you need to understand. First one data, second one IT applications, third one BA applications, next one Power BI, last one Power Platform. So this hierarchy you need to have very good understanding. Data, IT applications, BA applications, Power BI, Power Platform. Why, sir? We use data in IT applications. IT applications majorly two categories. One, which will run the business. Two, which will help to analyze the business. And these analytical applications can also be called BA applications, business intelligence applications. They are again two categories. One, legacy BA, old BA. Two, modern BA, current BA, modern market BA. And Power BI come under modern market BA. And Power BI is one of the component in the Power Platform. This is one of the component in the Power Platform. That's why it is your responsibility to know about Power BI and Power Platform. Power Platform basic sufficient. So let me explain the same by typing an Excel sheet so that you will come to know. Kindly stay tuned till 11:15. I'll give complete understanding about BI, Power BI, Power Platform. Power Platform. And tomorrow's session, we will see practical part. Today we'll make it theory and tomorrow's session will make it practical. Is it okay? And after practicing tomorrow's part, then only you take a decision whether Power BI is good or not, easy to practice or not, any coding required or not. You take a decision after tomorrow. And today understand the environment and tomorrow work on the environment. Right. Let me go to this. How do you define data? Anything, I'm starting from the basics. You are able to store is called data. And types of data. Three types nowadays available. First one, structured data. Data in the form of tables, column by column. This is the first one. Second one, semi-structured data. Data in the form of files. And data also partially structured. Example, your log information, your event tracking information, your audit information, your journal information. This come under semi-structured. Structured data, example, you booked a movie ticket, book my show information, IRCTC information, any make my trip information. This information is structured. So we have structured data, we have semi-structured data, and we have unstructured data. So what do you mean by unstructured? Different types available. First one, social media. If you take your Facebook data, your Twitter data, this data come under unstructured. Next, documents data. Take Word document, PDF document. That data also unstructured. Third one, satellite signals. Satellite signals also come under unstructured. And mails, your Gmail, your Yahoo Mail, this also come under unstructured. Sir, can you show me an example for semi-structured? Unstructured is okay. We're able to understand social media, documents, satellite and all. Could you show me semi-structured? In my machine, I want to know how many softwares installed, what are the times installed, I want to know. Usually I go to add remove programs. This add remove programs area is unstructured, sorry, semi-structured area. Your software, your size, time, not fully structured, at the same time not unstructured, partially structured. If you go to services in your machine, services, click services, what all the services running you can see. If you click on this is semi-structured. What do you call it? Service name, description, status, etc. So we have in the current IT industry 3 types of data: structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. 3 types. Okay, is it important? Why are you covering this? Power BI is supporting all these types of data. Power BI is the first BI in the market which is covering all types of data. Hence, you are supposed to know. People running behind Power BI for this reason also. They're able to work, they're able to generate reports for any kind of data, whatever they have in their organization. So data types. Next, storages. There are 2 types of storage. First one, on-premise storage. On-premise means within the company storage. Within your organization, if you install the server and store. If you install the server and store, that is on-premise storage. Second one, cloud storage. Somebody else storage area, you install server and store. That is cloud storage. What type of storage? Cloud storage. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are working with cloud storage. Our mobile backup, we are keeping in the Samsung cloud, Apple cloud, somebody else storage. Today, you will receive the video in the Google Drive. Google Drive is one kind of storage. Cloud storage. OneDrive is one kind of cloud storage. So 2 ways. One is on-premises, second cloud. Okay, fine. Now, what about IT applications? 2 major classifications. So you purchase an IT application not just for time pass. We never purchase. Even companies, they don't purchase IT applications for time pass. First one, to run the business, they purchase IT applications, or to analyze the business. Any company, anyone purchase IT applications for 2 purposes. One is running the business, second analysis. Running. These are called technical word. Technically, we call it as OLTP applications. What do you mean by OLTP? Online transaction processing applications. Technical word. So front end, here front end maybe website, maybe desktop interface, maybe mobile or tab app. The backend data will be databases or files, and the operation will be recording like show the records, modify the records, cancel the records, etc. This is the operation we perform here. Example, IRCTC Tatkal ticket booking, and this is available web level, this is available desktop level, and this is available app level. So we book the tickets in multiple ways, via web, via desktop, via app, multiple ways. Do you know the backend storage? Backend storage level, PNR number, amount, number of passengers, starting station, ending station, date traveling, train number, etc. available in the storage. So the applications which are running the business are called OLTP applications, technical word. Please remember, this is a normal word, layman word, our word, but technically OLTP. And here we have one front end, and here we use one back end. And the operation is records showing, modifying, canceling, etc. These are example. So knowingly or unknowingly, daily we guys working with company OLTPs. Knowingly or unknowingly, all our mobile apps performing these operations. This is the first one, sir. This is column by column data, business running. But what about analysis? And who will work on it? Who will work on it? Who will work on it? You can say audience. Who are the audience? General public. We are the people, guys, not anyone else. But to analyze the business, who will come into the picture? So these 4 words I will write here in analysis way. And technically we call it as OLAP applications, online analytical processing applications. Technical word. This is technical. And front end, nowadays even analysis also happening by using this. And database storage, the analysis storage, database or files, wherever you go. Operation, not recording. Mostly display operation. Which operation? Analytical data displayed. Analytical data never support changes. Now, who will use it? Management team, maybe vice president, subject matter experts, data stewards, data scientists. Nowadays, even executives using this information. Executives. Audience are different. Example, IRCTC ticket booking analysis. And we don't bother about this information. Here, we will see the information in the form of visuals. That information is business intelligence information. Some people also call it as decision-making information. Some people also call it as analytical information. So BA information, analytical information, all same. Sir, what is that? I will write here BA. What is BA? Business intelligence. BI stands for business intelligence. In other words, intelligence to the business. You can say decision making to the business. Can you give me example? Take the IRCTC previous example. Number of trains having full booking today. This is the decision making information. Trains not having any booking today. The region having highest demand. Highest and lowest demand. Top 3 or bottom 3 trains, etc. This information is called decision making information. What do you call it? So you go for an IT application purchase for two purposes. One, to run the business, or to see this kind of information. But where do you see this information? This information you see in an area called report or dashboard. So business intelligence level, input and output, if you see, input is data, any data, and output is a report or dashboard. So when you purchase a BA application in your company, you will get output as either report or dashboard. Then what is report, sir? Report, individual operation display component. It will show you individual operation and detailed data display component. Report will do two operations, individual and detailed data. What about dashboard? Dashboard level, a specific subject area data display. Some people say collection of reports display. Collection of reporting visuals display. Next, high level data display. High level data display component. Done. So IT level, two major applications, one for running the business, one for analysis. And analysis level audience are different. Analysis level, the information which you see is called as decision making data or intelligence data to the business. BA data. The applications which provide BA data or decision making data are called BA applications. BA applications input is data, output is report or dashboard. So report is for individual operation, dashboard is for subject area operation, which contain multiple reports information, multiple reports. One example I will give you for report, deposit cash. Savings account. This is one report example. The same thing, sorry, when you go for dashboard, savings account area, deposits, withdrawal, loan processing, etc. All if you show in a single area, then it is called dashboard. Then what is BI process? The process followed between data to BA data. In between normal data to BA data, whatever the process we follow, we call it as BA process. So what type of process? Layered process. Everyone focus on this. Layered process. You cannot convert normal data into business intelligence data directly. We need a layered process. Sir, can you show me? Go to this. This is a process. You have your business data in this area, let us assume. Your IRCTC data or Book My Show data or any data. And you want to provide a report or dashboard to the management team in this area. A report or dashboard, individual data or high level data. Detailed data or high level data you want to show. You cannot convert directly. Compulsory, you require multiple layers to process. What is the first layer? ETL layer, which will extract the data. This is a technical layer, don't worry. First time when you look at that, you might feel complex, but daily you come across the same terminology, you feel very bored. After third day, you say, sir, it's very boring for me. Because same picture, same thing, but only one thing, the way we use, so the components which we use might differ, process remains same. Whether you join in small company, medium company, large organization, no matter. Wherever you go, the process remains same, the terminology remains same. Only the thing is the tool which they are using different. Only tool. However, we are using for communication, mobiles. The same way here, mobile process almost similar. In India, telecom regulatory authority rules, only the mobiles will follow. TRI rules. Telecom regulatory authority rules. Even mobile vendors also. But we purchase a particular mobile due to its crazy operation, nothing more than that. Process almost similar. The same way, in the BA projects level, the process same. Try to understand the process. Tool will change. Some people may go for Tableau, some people may go for Power BI, some people may go for OBIWE. It could be. And accordingly, the features slightly vary. But process is same. That process only I'm explaining now. First one, ETL. This is required to gather the data regularly into one huge storage area. The huge storage area is called warehouse. Why we gather? If you want to analyze it, regularly data to be placed in a particular place, then only respect to week, respect to month, respect to quarter data you can analyze. Then how do you gather the data? Regularly. We have a process called ETL process. E for extraction, bringing the data. T for transformation, changing the data. L for loading the data. So online people and offline people, stay tuned for 15 more minutes. Then only you'll understand why Power BI, what it has. The terminologies which I explained last 15-20 minutes, quite normal terminology. But you will find the actual beautiness of Power BI another 5 minutes. You will find. So don't stop. Don't stop listening. Continue to listen till 11:15. I will conclude properly. Even you realize why should I, sorry, what type of market Power BI has, what it has, everything. ETL, extraction, transformation, loading, so that you can maintain huge storage. Those are called warehouses. Any huge storage area, we usually call it as a warehouse. As you're keeping data, it is a data warehouse. A data warehouse contains years and years data, huge volumes of data. And that complete data, we don't go for analysis. Only required data we will take and go for analysis. Those are semantic components. Which components? Semantic component. Some people say cubes. So here is a place required data we will take. Here is a place required aggregates we will place. Like some average, minimum, maximum, rank, etc. will place here. This data only given to reporting people, dashboard people to generate good insights and quick insights. Good insights and quick insights, so that the management team will take effective analysis. So If any company wants to convert their normal data into BA data, compulsory they should go for one ETL layer, one storage area, one required data storage and managing area, one presentation area. 4 layers compulsory required. And this process given early 90s, not now. And this process is called legacy process and standard process. Legacy process, standard process. So since 90s, there are many tools available in the market. Informatica, DataStage, Ab initio for ETL process. Teradata, Oracle, SQL Server, storage area, Hyperion, HANA, SSA is Hyperion, HANA, etc. for semantic area, required data storage, required aggregates, and BO, Cognos, etc. for reporting. Different tools from different vendors. No company has given end-to-end support. First point you must remember. No company has given end-to-end support to convert your normal data into analytical data. First time one organization came up with a wonderful solution, that is Microsoft. So they proudly launched MSBA in 2005. No tool available in the market with BA, prefix or suffix. Either prefix or suffix, no BA available apart from MSBA. In 2005, MSBA available as a suite with multiple tools. SSIS is the first tool, SQL Server Integration Services. SSAS is the second tool, SQL Server Analysis Services. SSRS is the third tool, SQL Server Reporting Services. 3 major tools. There are many minor tools available, but 3 major tools in the suite to perform end-to-end operation. Perform end-to-end. And MSBA was the first BA where Microsoft started its journey in the BA. Wonderful journey, not normal journey. Sir, if MSBA available, then why Power BA? Why Power BA? There should be some question, right? No company will give for a separate tool for easy access. No, not only cost, madam, there are multiple reasons why people go for Power BI that I am going to explain now. If it is a simple point, I would have concluded very quickly and go for practical. This history very important. In the regular class, I am not going to explain again. Again and again, I am not going to explain what we are discussing now. We started with data only. We are continuing with BA. So BA process, layered process. What is the first layer required? A, extract, transform, load layer. B, data warehouse layer, huge storage. C, semantic layer, required data storage, required analysis. D, reporting layer or presentation layer. And there are a couple of other layers, quality layer, metadata layer, companies are using, but I'm not talking about it. Quality, metadata, etc. Other layers also available. Done. BA process layers completed. Now legacy BA. So 1992 till 2005. In case any company wants to implement 3 tools from 3 vendors required, please look at the point. 3 different tools from 3 vendors required. Informatica, IBM, and one more company, like this 3 vendors. Multiple setups also required. Multiple resources also required. Note, costly approach. Costly approach. It's a costly approach. Not only price, all with respect to price. Price also cost. Setups also cost. Resources also cost. Maintenance also cost. But still, top companies not compromised. Top companies not compromised with this. Now, middle BA, middle age BA, 2005 onwards, MSBA and many other available. First BA with end-to-end support in single suit. Single suit is MSBA. What is the first one? SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services. SSAS, SQL Server Analysis Service. SSRS, Reporting Service. First BA, end-to-end BA. So this is called as note. This is a self-service BA suite, SSBA suite. Self-service BA suite, end-to-end it can do. And we have versions. Something interesting you will learn now. 5, 8, 8R2, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 20, 22, etc. versions. Microsoft market leader. 2008 onwards, Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BI. So because of MSBA, Microsoft got leadership in the market. Leader, the word leader. Till this date, MSBA has its own market because very powerful. It's a leader in analytics and BA. So first time in 2005, it was released, attracted the market, but not a leader. But after 3 years, yes, it reframed again, redesigned again, redefined again with more features. So it got the market leadership. Sir, can you show me the statistics? I will show you. Look at this. See this. Microsoft named a leader in the 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BA platforms. Look at this, everyone. Today, we are announcing that 15th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader. Don't ask anyone what is the position of Microsoft. And if somebody says Microsoft market is down or BA tool down, 1 or 2 months plus and minus common. If 1 month they recruit more, next month maybe no calls or less calls. It's a leader, guys. Microsoft is a leader. Let us Salesforce, ClickView and all. If a leader does not have market, what about competitors? What about challengers? Think about it. BA required for every organization. It's evergreen. As long as you run your business, till that time, business intelligence is required. Analysis is required. That means analytical tools required. And who you prefer? You prefer always the leaders or highly challenges or competitors. So Microsoft is a leader. Don't expect the market go down for Microsoft. Plus or minus calls in a particular month, but not the market. Last 15 years, Microsoft is a leader. This is the link I'm giving. Why it is a leader, how it is a leader, they clearly given. Click the links. This is a Gartner link. This document I will share with you. Kindly open and go through it. That is Microsoft. I will go to one more. Forrester Wave. Microsoft named a leader in the Forrester Wave. This organization level also. We are Forrester Wave rating. Forrester Wave is one organization. They also rate IT applications. Gartner is one organization. They rate IT applications. Similarly, Forrester Wave. This team said Microsoft is the leader in analytics and BI. It's a leader. This organization also. Why? They're given a clear report. And if you want to see the report, subscribe and see the report. And this link also I'm giving you guys for your understanding purpose, market understanding purpose, you go. I'm talking about Microsoft leader. Sir, Microsoft is a leader is okay. Leader, but how come, sir? Even till this date, leader, having leadership. Started with MSBA, but continued with Power BI. Continued with Power BI. Why? Facebook, Twitter, Twitter, cloud applications, even mobile smartphones. These all popular after 2005. Facebook around 2004, I believe, and many organizations after 2005. And Microsoft BI, MSBA does not have support for the IT trend, changed IT trend. In case any of your friends already working in IT, just ask them. For the last 10 years, 15 years, if they are working with IT, ask them, they will tell you. There was a drastic changing in the IT after 2005. Drastic change, not normal change. Social media applications, email applications, cloud applications, all after 2005 only. All great change. But MSBA was designed with the features before 2005. MSBA designed with the features before 2005. It was not having the features after 2005. That's the reason Microsoft developed Power BI. So what are the drawbacks? MSBA does not have support for the IT trend. First one, not mobile friendly component. You want your reports or dashboards in the mobile, not possible. No support or less support to cloud. MSBA having very less support to cloud. Next, multiple tools required for end-to-end process. No social media application support. No social media application support. Social media support not available. Next, not supporting embedding. Embedding means placing MSBA reports in blogs, portals, etc. No support. In blogs, portals, your company has a blog and you want to show MSBA report. Not possible. Not possible. And on top of all, last point here, on top of all, no support to current market trend. Market trend capturing. Hence, Microsoft announced Power BI. Announced in 2013 July. In July, with the above all features and monthly updates for market changes capturing. So Power BI only having monthly update, no organization having monthly update. Continuously, Microsoft monitoring the market, taking the changes. Continuously, Microsoft monitoring the market, taking the changes. So Power BI, the name also given as powering BI or adding power to BI. For the existing Microsoft BI, it is adding power. Existing Microsoft BI, it is adding power. So we call it as Power BI. So mobile friendliness added. So what all you are able to see like a drawback in the MSBI, the same as features in Power BI. Power BI level mobile friendliness we have. And we have support to cloud, not normal support, huge support to cloud. Somebody else storage area you want to use. Multiple tools not required. This is important. Single application required in Power BI for end-to-end process. So Power BI is self-service BI. Self-service BI application. MSBI is self-service BI suite. Power BI self-service BI application. And full support to social media. Full support to embedding your Power BI report or dashboard you want to place in company blogs, websites, everything possible. And full support to current market trend. And this is called as, so this is because of monthly update. So if you talk about versions in Power BI, July 2013 to till this month, we have updates. July 2013 to till this month, we have updates. Are you convinced? You want to see? See, go to this, guys. This is the website where you see the update. 2013 July to till this month. Every month we have an update. Every month we have an update. This is to show to the customers that we are on fire. We are adapting all the market changes, adapting all the market changes, etc. They want to show to the public. They want to show to the companies to give confidence. This is one more reason why people run behind Power BI. Continuously capturing the market changes. The structure is designed in such a way. If you go to Tableau, ClickView, SSRS, OBIEE, Hyperion, there are many BA tools available in the market. They don't have this kind of support. Power BI only has this support. That's the reason they named it Powering BI. It's not an accidental name. Knowingly they given. Already Microsoft having BI, MS BI. On top of it, they added more features. So the name is Powering BI. These are all the Power BI features. So you understood why Power BI is a leader. Sorry, Microsoft is a leader in the market. MSBI brought it, Power BI continuing it. MSBI level, we are having versioning culture. Every 2 years, 3 years, one time release. But Power BI level, no versioning culture. Monthly update. And if you look at this, different people, they are calling Power BI differently. Some people say adding power to BI. Some people say it's a self-service BI application, software service. Sir, what is self-service BI? I will tell you now. And Microsoft defining like this, and some other scientists defining like this. These definitions I will explain in detail in the regular class. But I will conclude one point and then stop the session. Try to understand this point. If any company want to implement BA data, BA report or dashboard here, the data has to undergo multiple layers. One ETL layer, semantic reporting. Initially, companies used multiple tools, multiple people, and middle age level, one suite like Microsoft MSBI, multiple tools. But in the Power BI level, no need of multiple tools. There is an application called Power BI Desktop. This will do multiple BI operations. First operation, power querying. This is called power querying, which is to perform ETL process. And there is a concept called power pivot, which will perform storage and relationships. Storage, relationships. There is one more component called power view and map, which is for reporting. So this desktop having power query, power pivot, power view, and map. These components to perform end-to-end process. To perform end-to-end multiple concepts, that too single application. That's the reason we call Power BI as self-service BI application. What do you call it? Self-service BI application. So in case you want to convert your normal data into BI data with single application possible. Whereas in MSBI, we need multiple tools, compulsory multiple tools installation, multiple tools operation required. If you don't want either, compulsory multiple tools from different vendors you need to purchase. See how Microsoft increased its strength. Got it? Why Power BI is leader in the market, what it has. So now end-to-end BI process, it's doing in a single application level. And by using multiple concepts. That application is called Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop. Then how Power BI Desktop helps us to convert the data? Power BI Desktop is a single self-service BI application to convert normal data into decision-making data. This practical, I will show you tomorrow. Tomorrow practical, so that you will understand ease of Power BI, features of Power BI, and you will understand how quickly we can convert normal data into decision-making data. This you will understand tomorrow. So attend tomorrow. Come up, practice the session. Later, think about Power BI. Practice it and then think about Power BI. And today, I give an understanding about this picture. Data, types of data available, IT applications available. What is BA application? How many types available? And what type of application Power BI is? And what is Power Platform? So Power Platform not much covered. Tomorrow I will cover what is Power Platform. Tomorrow I will cover in detail. You don't worry. And you might have a couple of questions on the basics and all. I will cover in the regular class. You can call me on my mobile number so that I will explain all the details in detail. I'm coming from back to fourth. Power Platform containing multiple components, where Power BI is one of the component. Power BI comes under BA application, modern application. BA application is one type of IT application. IT applications use different types of data. And in this material, I given first understanding, introduction, opportunities, what we provide, and how people got success from this institute, prerequisite, what to learn, Because you belong to this environment, you need to learn all this. And what is data? How many types of data available? Storage, how many types of storage available? IT application types, business intelligence input and output, difference between the report and dashboard, what exactly BA applications produce, and BA process, very early stage process, middle age process, now new age process or modern process. Modern process level, how Power BI providing support, what type of history it has, everything explained. I'm done with the demo.